Hello! Hello, I'm Sean Awesome, and welcome back to Will You Press the Button? No! Okay. Here we go. You can buy everything in the world for free, but you will never get a girlfriend. As a hetero guy, no, it's not worth it. Plus, where's the challenge? Where's the challenge? If you can get everything for free, that doesn't sound like fun for me. 35% did not. Minority. You are immortal, but you are in jail for life. I can't. Prison break. Woo, woo, woo. Okay, I would do it, huh? If not, I could always get off for good behavior. Minority 29% though. You are fluent in every language, but your dialect is the one of poor and distrusted people. You can't change this. Language is a journey. Ooh, 50-50, even. You will be able to read people's minds, but only the thoughts they have about you. No, what's the point? I mean, part of the fun of life is not being able to read people's minds. You can understand and speak all the languages, but you can use the language where it was created. No. I may have pressed it prematurely there. So you go to Russia, but you can't use Russia in Russia. Russia is the only only country I think that uses Russian. So, no, I stand by what I did. Minority 36%. Become part of the PC Master Race, but Half-Life 3 will never be released. Sure. I mean, there's plenty of other games other than Half-Life. Slight majority, 53%. You become a genius and solve many world problems. You are doomed to be morbidly obese until death. Solving world problems would mean everyone will start living like the death rate would go down. Do you realize what a problem that would cause? Like, there'd be a global food shortage. You are immortal, but you are paraplegic. Okay, you say paraplegic like it's like the most awful thing ever. Paraplegic is from the waist down. It's not quadriplegic, and these days more and more places are accessible. Now, I say that, but I can walk really well, and like I walk around the house by myself, but yeah, I forgot where I was going. Exactly. Leonor Alexis Aguila says, I would never want immortality watching the one you love wither away, but if I wanted it, prosthetic limbs are getting very advanced. It's true. 68%. What is it with all the immortal questions? You will become immortal, but it will take a month for you to recover. and you would take 10 times the pain inflicted upon you. I know. I don't want 10 times the pain. And everyone dies, so 57% didn't press. Here we go. Now one with Immortal. A fridge that contains any food or drink you want, fully prepared and ready to eat whenever you open the door, but the fridge takes up half of the space of where you live. You still have to pay for the food and you still gain weight. No. 68% did not press it. You get to go to a cartoon world you want. Pokemon, Sonic, My Little Pony, and more. But you can never go back or take anyone with you. No. I'm happy with where I am. Thank you. Oh, another 50-51. You become fluent in all spoken languages, including all animal languages. But you lose the ability to read and write, and you can never get it back. Marco Gonzalez says, at least you can learn what the fox says. That's funny. Sure. I mean, I'm more interested in what animals have to say anyway. You can choose to live in whichever Pokemon region. Spin-off games are included, but you can never change where you live ever after you make your choice. No. I'm happy with the way things are. Oh, slight minority, 47%. Okay, one more. Here we go again. You are immortal, but you lose your memory every 200 years. what the hell's the downside to this one? I mean, you live forever, and humans don't live, don't live till 200, so it's just like starting over. That sounds awesome. 67% majority. Okay, don't forget to subscribe for more content. I do 2 videos a day, 7 days a week. Twitter, Instagram, Tumblr, LiveJournal, Skyrock, and Reddit are in the description. As always, hit like if you liked it. Goodbye.